welcome back to my channel All of Kanishka, and in this video I am going to give you a quick tutorial how I created this look. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm done with concealing. Now I will use blush on my cheekbones so that I can have under eyes too. Let's blend it out. Adding a little darker shade here. So I'm mixing my concealer with some liquid glam. So I'm trying this for the first time. Now what I'm going to do is I will take this angular brush and this light shade here. Now comes the bronzing part. So I take the shade. So for eyes, I'm thinking more chiseled brown glow. Take a lighter brown shade and just start blending on the outer corner of my eyes. Slowly, done with my eyes. I will now cut this lash into two. Okay, so I did my eyes, I did my lashes, and now this is from Stay. So I'm done with my eyes. Now comes the lips part. Please ignore this. I got either, so I got this. I'm using this Show Palette for lip lining my lips, and I'm using darkest of red. So I have lip lined my lips from this shade. You can see the darkest here. Now I'm using the glass, and I'm so excited because you can see the shade right here. This is the swatch. Let's use it. Oh my goodness. This is the only glass you need. You can see? Oh my god. That dark cherry color. So this is something I will reveal soon. And this is only the sample. This is not the real packaging. Stay tuned. So this is the final look, and I am going to reveal something very soon. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.